Hi guys, it's Miss Richo here. This tutorial is all about how to send an email. Now the first step is, what we do is we go up to the box up there where the Google Apps is, and we click on that. We go to Gmail, so that's the Gmail portal for Google Apps. Once we're in there, it's a matter of just composing a new message here, like so. And in here you've got two. Now two is for the address of the recipient, the person that is about to get your email. So for example, I'm going to use my email. I'm going to pretend that I'm a student and I'm sending an email. Okay, so your teacher will be able to give you their email address. Mine is 0926 3907, and generally it normally will come up like that. Then you're going to click on subject. Now the subject is what it is about. So if you're sending an email to, say, myself, the subject is about a question you may have. So we're going to put, I have a question. And then in here is what the message is. I have a question regarding what day my assignment is due. Okay. And then you're going to say from, and then you will put from student, like so. So if it's from you, you would put your name there, the student. Now, if you have to attach anything, so say that you are handing in some work or anything like that, you'll see down the bottom, just in the bottom there is an attachment, and that's where you can attach files from your computer, depending on what it is. So I'm just going to get a picture and I might send it. There you go. I'll just get a nice picture of myself. And that might be your assignment or anything like that. So you can click on that. Down the bottom, you also can send links. Your Google Drive is here, so you can actually add stuff from your Google Drive. So you might have a presentation or something from your classroom that you want to add. You can add it all from that box there. Okay. Anyway, when you've finished, you press the send. So press send down there, and it's all done. That's pretty much how you send an email. So again, compose, type in your teacher's address, put what the email's about in the subject, and then you type in the information, the questions you might want to ask, or if you want to know something, some information about school, anything like that, and then you just put who it's from and then press send. How to send an email? If you have any questions, please send me an email on the following link. Thanks for listening.